How to connect your Tozo T6 wireless Bluetooth earbuds with a Samsung phone running Android 12 or even Android 11. If your earbuds are currently in the charging case, as you take them out of the charging case, they will blink in blue a few times, then they will enter into pairing mode. And to know if they are in pairing mode, you'll wait until you see them both blinking in blue and red, like this here. That means they're in pairing mode and ready to connect. However, if this doesn't happen, what you're going to do is long press both of them by touching the touch controls and wait for them to light up in red, which turns them off. So go ahead and hold it down like this here for a few seconds, maybe up to 3 seconds, and you'll notice that they will light up in red like that, which means they are both off. And now while they're in an off state, you can go ahead and long press them both together at the same time and release it as soon as you see the blue light. Once you do that, you'll notice that they'll start flashing in blue, then wait a few seconds until they both start to flash in blue and red to enter into the pairing mode, like this here. This now means that they're both ready to connect to your Samsung phone. So once you've gotten it to do that, you're ready to go. Now on your Samsung phone here, you can use the quick panel access. So go ahead and pull down the quick panel access to find the Bluetooth icon settings. And once you see it, long press it. And as you long press it, that'll take you into the main Bluetooth settings, giving you access to the switch and to see what's being shown on your phone as available devices. You'll see Tozo T6. Once you see it, tap on it one time, it will say pairing. You'll get the pairing request that appears to the bottom. Go ahead and select pair one time, and it will show you that it's connected for calls and audio. You'll notice the volume will appear there. And if you tap on the settings gear icon right there, you can go ahead and turn it on for calls or audio, or either one of them, or even both of them. And that's that for this video tutorial. You could like, sub, thanks for watching. Just to be on the safe side to know if they're actually connected, you'll notice that there is no blinking lights. Thanks for watching.